Yeah. Got the dogs with us today. The trailer, that's what they're gonna ride in. My wife over there getting ready. There they are, Buster and Duchess. Yeah, ready to go for a ride. This is their first ride on the trike and the trailer, so we'll see how they do. Margaret's second ride for the year. See how she does. Well, got the dogs back here. Maybe you can see them in the trailer there or not. My wife's back there. They seem to like it a little bit. Their first ride on the trailer. Testing the trailer out. I borrowed the trailer. See if I like it or not. It pulls nice with the two small dogs in it. Pulls really nice. Anyway, shot of downtown here. Townsend ride again. Like it over here. Lots to see. Woohoo! Having fun now. I better slow down for a little bit so my wife can catch up. A little windy out here today. A little cold, but it's a good place to ride. Nice waterfall over here coming up too. Nice place here to do some tent camping too, along the river. Pretty nice over there. See the water? They got off the trail there on the back road now over here in Townsend. My wife's still back here. Doggies are still there. They calmed down. They seem to like it. Well, one does anyway. We'll see her back here. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, some cabins over there you can rent on the river. Nice place to come and visit. You want to do some trike riding anyway. Nice place to come visit. There we go. Shot of the river over here. Really pretty. Okay, we're gonna go up here to the Subway here and get something to eat now. Lunchtime. Give the dogs a little break. There it is, Subway. As Ed would say, gonna get us some little bit of yoga mat. Well, we tried to go to Subway. Subway was closed. Some kind of water main break. So we had to go over here to this gas station. Use the facilities. Having fun in the Smokies up there. Yeehaw. Get a little shot of the river over here. Shot of the river over here in the parking lot. The garden entrance, huh? Woohoo. Cool. That's a cool shot. Right there. There's a bear cave over there. Nah, just a drainage. Pretty cool. Another shot of the mountains here on the way back. And the waterfall over here. Pretty cool. Really nice. Well, Ed, they cleaned some of the trail up here. You see they ran a bulldozer or tractor or something through here. Picked up the sticks and leaves and stuff that was laying here last time we came through here. So it's not too bad. Still a couple things laying here, but not like it was. Cleaned it up a little bit. Need to do another sweeping job though through it, I think.